Hello, New School Beyblade here, and today I'm doing an unboxing of Beyblade X Bite Croc a 260Q Deluxe string launcher and custom grip set unboxing. But yeah, finally got this guy's in today. But yeah, let's get into it, shall we? Okay, really happy to get this in. I saw this once at Walmart in Sacramento, but didn't have the money at the time. I'm happy to have it now. The cool grip, that clear black, definitely a 90s look, and the green launcher. Really happy to have this in my collection now. Okay. Really happy to get this in my collection. Okay. Oh shoot. Okay. Now I'm just missing the Meteor Dragoon Beyblade for this launcher set. But yeah, this is a special edition Croc. I actually really like this color. The QR code 260 and Quake. And there you go. If you guys like this video, like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this, and goodbye.